So the Pharmacy Career Orientation Camp is a camp designed for middle schoolers and high schoolers, and it's our attempt to expose them to all the career opportunities in the profession. So the middle school and high school age, I think, is a crucial opportunity for us to try to just introduce pharmacy as one of several opportunities in the STEM fields, partially because, like in our case, our program is a 4-year professional program. So they have about 72 hours of prerequisite work they have to do, and a lot of them are in strong sciences, organic chemistry, physics, genetics, things of that nature. So when we can get the audience of middle schoolers, they have their high school years to kind of plan on getting some of those courses that'll prepare them both for the prerequisites, but also set them at an advantage to really be able to adequately prepare. Also, now we have high schools that have programs for pharmacy technicians, so they can actually entertain that and then actually have a backup plan, for outside work or something even through college. And so we want to get to them as early as possible. So this camp actually is the evolution of us having provided these kind of opportunities since the inception of the program back in 2012 or so, where we were working with the TRIO and Upward Bound programs and providing intermittent experiences to those students. As a part of their entire program, we might be 6 days out of a 3-week experience. And we've also worked with other groups. Like sometimes we have undecided health majors that we've exposed, maybe a half a day of some things that they could do in pharmacy with them. And so this, we just decided a couple years ago, why don't we do a week-long camp? Because camps are quite popular, and particularly for school-age kids, this kind of gives them something to do. But we also want to offer this as an opportunity for the community to see us in a different light and learn about, again, programs that they may not realize we have, because the College of Pharmacy is relatively new, to the USF Health portfolio. And so this, again, is our way of increasing our awareness of some of the things that we do. So we'll be exposing them to faculty, practitioners, and alumni that are working across the different sectors of pharmacy. We'll be explaining to them, again, some of the requirements, the opportunities for additional credentialing, but actually allowing them a deep dive. We'll be taking them into labs with our scientists. We'll be taking them to see a lot of the pharmacies we have on campus, like our Pharmacy Plus pharmacy, our investigational research pharmacies, the student health pharmacy over in Marshall Center, and we might slip in a couple other field trips out in the community. We'll have videos of other places that we can't go into, like a nuclear pharmacy or some of our bigger hospital pharmacies, particularly Tampa General and others. And so we'll really try to do a really, really good job of allowing them also some hands-on experience in not just the labs, but they'll hopefully be able to make some capsules or creams or things that they could take home as souvenirs. So we're really excited. Well, what I will say is that we're super excited and hope that people will consider our camp. There's a lot of other things out there that prepare students, for some of the STEM areas, but I will say that this one is second to none, and I think the students will walk away feeling very enlightened about something that they probably had never considered, or will certainly teach them a few other skills of things that are going to be applicable in other arenas that they might be interested in.